Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. Now, today I want us to review Swagbucks. To me, it's among the best paying survey site or GPT site. GPT means get paid to site, whereby you do tasks and then you get paid. That's the meaning of a GPT site. You can see here my activity in the last 30 days. I was able to cash out 2 times. Yeah, here. And then I was able to cash out here $10. So this, I'm reviewing a site which I've tested out and I know it's paying. So those people who ask themselves, is Swagbucks a waste of time or does it really pay? You have evidence here and you can see that it actually pays. And if you're on my Telegram channel, I posted my progress from the moment I created the account and the moment I got the cash outs. So I know people wondering how I created the account here. You can see here I completed the account on a mobile device here. I used the Phone Extreme device, which I reviewed the other day. So that's how I was able to create an account on Swagbucks. This particular account, I say, is the one which I created using Phone Extreme, and I was able to cash out, and I proved that Phone Extreme can be able to create an account on Swagbucks. So that's not the main objective of the video. Main objective of the video is to review Swagbucks. First of all, I have confirmed that it actually pays and they have very, very high paying survey sites. I can also show you my rewards section here, whereby I redeemed my rewards. Remember, Swagbucks pays in terms of SB or Swagbucks tokens. Remember, 100 SB is equivalent to what? Is equivalent to $1. So for $10 gift card, this is around 1,000 SB. That's how they distribute their rewards. But you can always redeem your reward. It's very, very easy and convenient. Now, for new accounts, when you do the cash out, it takes between 1 to 3 days. But once you go up the levels, for example, if you do like 2 to 3 cash outs, and then you crash the various reward level they have. Once you register an account here and you complete surveys and you cash out, they will be showing you the level that you're current in. So the higher level you go on Swagbucks, the sooner you'll be getting your reward. I hope that is correct. Another thing on Swagbucks, you can make money through surveys. Yeah, you can see surveys here. This is like a few weeks old account. Remember, for a new account which have not done a cash out, the high paying surveys will be very, very rare. Yeah, so don't expect to create an account today and then you'll be getting high paying surveys. So this one varies. Once you create your account history, you'll be able to do a lot of cash out. You do like 1 to 3 cash outs on your account, and then you go up the reward levels on Swagbucks, you'll be guaranteed that your account will be having high paying surveys, as you can see here. So remember, this is not automatic. You have to create a good history on your account, do 1 to 3 cash outs there, and you'll be able to be getting high paying surveys. Remember, payment is not instant. It takes 1 to 3 days. And also always have a good survey profile. And from if you go back to my activity history here, I also got disqualifications. Remember, a survey profile cannot be to qualify you in all surveys that are provided. So when you get disqualified, it's normal. So don't get discouraged. Just open another survey and try your luck. But always minimize the number of disqualifications you get because of giving inaccurate answers or just giving ambiguous answers. Does not make sense. They get you fragged. So always be keen following your profile when completing surveys, and you'll be having no issues working on Swagbucks. And also, make sure your country IP is not dynamic, does not keep on changing from time to time, because once they suspect suspicious activity on your account, you'll be prompted to do identity verification. Now, another way of making money on Swagbucks is through what? Is through playing their online games. They're among the best high paying site with the very good games. You can see they have very many games here, and you can see the number of rewards associated if you complete a particular level on that particular game. So this Swagbucks is a heaven for gamers. So if you're a good gamer, come here, download the app, either an Android app or an iOS app, depending with what you want. Also, they have various types of games, adventure, casual, whatever. Just select the genre of games that you like, download them on your devices, either iOS, Android, or desktop. Complete the games, complete the levels without cheating, and you are guaranteed to get the rewards which are listed here. You can see the games here are very, very high paying. I have few friends who are gamers and they make cool money using Swagbucks games. They just complete levels on games and they get reward. So my main focus on this video is about doing surveys and doing games which are well paying. Also, you can make money through their shop section here, or also the magic receipt here, whereby once you submit a receipt, yeah, you get rewarded. But my main focus on this video is just games and surveys, because I know most of my followers make money through gaming and surveys. So that's are the main areas of making money on Swagbucks. So another thing, when you're creating a Swagbucks account, make sure you have a permanent number for your country. They support so many countries, so whichever country you are registering an account on, make sure your number is always there and reliable. The reason you need a permanent number for your country, for your country's account, remember they support so many countries. You can register Swagbucks in almost every country in the world. So make sure you have a permanent number, because every time you're creating an account and you want to redeem your reward, they'll prompt you to verify your account. Another thing about Swagbucks, other sites, they ask for one-time number verification, but Swagbucks, they will verify your number during account registration, and also when you're redeeming your reward. Every time you're redeeming your reward, you'll be asked to verify your number again and again, and also to provide your address. Also, you can cash out through many ways on Swagbucks. Let's see the cash out options. So during cash out, you can redeem your reward in so many ways. They have Amazon gift cards. They have so many ways of redeeming your rewards. So once you reach cash out, just come to the redeem reward section. Once you have reached the minimum, just select the kind of reward you need and you're able to redeem. They also support Amazon, Apple gift card, virtual prepaid MasterCards, American Express, and so many other forms of reward. They also support PayPal. But when linking PayPal to your Swagbucks account, make sure the name on your Swagbucks account matches the name on your PayPal account, and that make sure the details on your Swagbucks and your PayPal, which you're going to link on your Swagbucks account, are the same. Then if you're creating a USA Swagbucks account, make sure you have a USA verified PayPal. If you're using a UK Swagbucks account, make sure the PayPal you have linked to your account is from UK, because they have a very thorough linking process. But if you don't have a PayPal account for whichever country you're working on, and the gift cards are provided here, you can just redeem your gift card directly. The only thing you'll be asked is to verify your address, the one you provided during registration, and you'll be prompted to verify your number. So they might send you the reward link on your email, but you have to now come back to your account under my rewards section and be able to view the code for your gift card there. Remember, they don't send the code to your what? They don't send the code to your email. You have to go to your Swagbucks account to redeem your reward. So this was a very short update to show that Swagbucks is real and it pays and it has so many ways of making money. So if you enjoyed the video and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment. I always like seeing the feedback of my followers under the comment section. Also, you can join my Telegram channel, where you can reach me on one-on-one if you require any clarification or any question that you need to get an answer on. So join my social media accounts on Telegram. I have 2 Telegram groups, 1 Telegram channel. If you go to my Telegram channel, I have posted the links to all my groups there. So follow me and you'll be guaranteed to make something online. So thank you for watching, and keep it locked to my YouTube channel.